Hi friends, I'm Dr. Shivali, physiotherapist and diabetic educator. Today I'm gonna talk about how to boost immunity through lifestyle. In last video we discussed boost immunity through diet. So here I clear we need to balance both things together, diet as well as lifestyle. We must have a balanced diet and follow the lifestyle pattern, so definitely we have a sustainable healthy lifestyle. Now the question is how to boost and what changes we can do to set our lifestyle pattern. So here we go. The number one is sleeping time, rising time and adequate sleep. All three are comes in the sleeping pattern. In sleeping time, do we sleep timely? Do we rise up timely? Do we have adequate sleep? Absolutely no. Only 20% people sleep 10 p.m. and wake up at 6 a.m. and this is the right way to maintain our biological clock. But we people, because we stuck in our busy job schedule, in job timings, long commute distances and somewhere other changes of lifestyle, we can't follow the proper timing to sleep. So here I asked you, can we set the one time to sleep? Either it's 8 p.m., either it's 10 p.m. or either it's 12 p.m. We can set so that our biological clock adapt that time and release the hormones accordingly, which enhance our immune system and release our stress level. Next is we need to have a adequate sleep. That means we must have a 8 hour sleep which must be continuous sleep. If we not, so definitely we must have a disbalance hormonals. That means hormonal disbalance. Reason being, it affects the biological clock, leads to the hormonal disbalance, and definitely we have a sleep disorders also. So we need to follow the both of things together, sleeping timing also, and we need to 8 hours sleeps on daily basis. So the next is come to the eating pattern. In eating pattern we discuss about the eating time, and next is eating manner. Eating time, do we eat timely? Definitely somehow is yes and somehow it's no. But due to excessive workload, long commutes, lack of appetite, unappealing food, and lack of time to desire to lose weight, and fixation of body body posture, especially in the women's, lost the eating time. So here I tell you, my dear friends, if we have a irregular meal timing, it cause low energy level, loss of muscle mass, definitely we prone to gain weight, and fluctuation of blood glucose level against the diabetes, as well as it increases the stress level, and definitely we have a sleeping disorder. So we must have to follow the eating timing also, and we should have a 2 hours gap between of every meal. Either it's morning breakfast and mid morning, lunch, snacks, dinner, whether you need to have gap between of 2 hours. Next is, do we masticate the food properly? If not chew the food properly, definitely our gut wall effective and it leads to digestive problems. So that our food doesn't break down these small particles and our digestive system may not release the enzymes properly to digest the food. So we must masticate the food properly. Now the next is walking and exercises. Walking, it on daily basis we need the 30 minutes at least. If we do the 30 minutes walking exercises, it makes our body active, fresh and energetic, strengthen the body mass, improves the blood circulation, and we must stay away from the diseases. And if we walk on the green grass, it's good for our eye health, for our brain, heels, knees, for every joints and system from head to toe. Then the next is exercises. Exercise, definitely in exercises, cardiac exercises, strengthening exercises, stretching exercises and meditation. These four are very important in exercises. What exercises we do in the 30 minutes, definitely we will talk in the next video. Now the next pattern is happiness and get time to yourself. Happiness, that if you feel the happiness, means whatever you like, if you feel happiness with your family, if you feel happiness with your friends, do it and make it yourself happy, which increases your energy level, increases your hormonal balance, and boost up your immunity and reduce your stress level. Next is get time to yourself. If you spend time with yourself, either it's 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 1 hour, it's on you, but uh, spend it without any gadgets, so that which increases your alertness, concentration, orientation, and increases your straight thinking and reduce the stress level. So my dear friends, these are very important points. If we follow these patterns, definitely we boost our immunity and have a healthy lifestyle. And what are benevolent facts if we follow these patterns, which burn our calories, preserve the body mass and bone density, increases our mental health and physical health also, helps to appetite and improve our health and every system from toe to head. So these are the important points. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.